Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to teach you science and the chapter's name is Animal Habitats and Adaptation. Before starting the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I have a demand from you. If you give me 10 likes, then I will make a bonus video in this week. So let's start our video. The environment where an organism naturally lives and produces is called its habitat. Different organisms live in different habitats. They obtain food, shelter, air, and water from their habitat. Let us learn about the different types of habitat found on Earth. Forests. Forest habitats usually have a large number of plants and trees. A variety of animals live in forests in various places such as caves. Examples: lions and tigers. On trees, example birds and monkeys. In burrows, example snakes and rabbits. And on the forest floor, example deer, elephant and insects. Many animals that live in the forest have well developed limbs that help them to run and walk. Limbs also help them to hunt or run away from predator. Desert habitats are sandy lands with scanty rainfall. Most deserts have very hot and dry during the day and becomes cold at night. Animals usually found in deserts are camel, kangaroo rat, etc. Animals in desert have special features to survive there. For example, camels have thick, broad feet that help them to walk easily on loose sand. They also have thick eyelids that protect their eyes from sand blowing with wind. They store water and fat in their humps for use in times of scarcity. Some desert animals live in burrows to escape heat. Polar regions and mountains. High mountains and polar regions are covered with snow and very cold throughout the year. During winter, the temperature can drop very low degrees. Some animals found in polar region are polar bear, penguin, seal, and walrus. Animals like polar bear have thick fur on their body that keeps them warm. Penguins have a large layer of fat under their skin called blubber. It helps in keeping their body warm. Oceans. Oceans are the largest habitat of the world and contain salt water. Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Southern Ocean, and Indian Ocean are the various oceans on Earth. Big and small fish of different types are found in salt water habitat. Crabs, starfish, sharks, whales, sea turtles, seahorses, etc. are types of animals are found here. Freshwater habitat include various ponds, lakes, rivers, streams. Different kinds of fish, snakes, and frogs live in this habitat. Frogs use their long hind legs and webbed feet for swimming in water. Water birds such as duck and swan swim in water with their webbed feet. Cranes have long legs to wade through water. Adaptation. The features and habits of organisms that help them to survive in their habitat is called adaptation. Let us learn about some adaptation of animals living in different habitats. Body covering. Animals have different types of body covering such as thick fur, scale and shell. Let us know about them. Scales. Bodies of reptiles such as crocodile, lizard and snake are covered with scales. Snakes shed their skin periodically. The process of shedding the old skin to replace it with a new skin is called molting. Shell. Shell protects the soft bodies of animals such as turtles, and snails from damage. The hard shell also protects them from being eaten by predators. Fur or wool. The body of animals such as polar bear and yak is covered with thick fur. A sheep's body is covered with wool. The fur or wool helps the animal to keep themselves warm in cold. Feathers. The body of birds is covered with feathers. Birds have three types of feathers: flight feather, body feather and down feather. Flight feathers. Flight feathers are present on the wing and help the bird to fly. Body feather cover the body. Down feathers keep the body warm. Hard body covering. Insects such as grasshopper and cockroach have a hard body covering made of substance called chitin. Not cheating, chitin. Breathing organs. Different animals have different breathing organs suited on their habitat. Skin. Animals such as earthworms use their moist skin for breathing. The exchange of gases takes place through the surface of the skin. A frog breathes through its skin when it is inside water. Body surface. Small microscopic organisms breathe through their body surface. Example: amoeba and paramoecium. Gills. Most aquatic animals such as fish breathe with the help of gills. Water flows in through the mouth and flows out through the gills. The gills help in absorbing the oxygen dissolved in water. Spiracles. Insects have special structure for breathing known as spiracles, also called air holes. These are small openings present along the side of an insect's body. Air enters the insect's body through these spiracles and is expelled through the same structures. Movements in humans. Human beings use their legs to stand, walk and run. The hands and the arrangement of fingers help human beings to hold objects and do various works. Migration. The movement of animals in large groups from one place to another in search of food and warmth is called migration. Some birds migrate during winter season to produce and find food. They use the fat stored in their bodies and on such long journeys. Siberian white cranes or snow cranes migrate to India during winter from western Siberia. Apart from birds, some mammals such as whales migrate during winter from polar region to warmer oceans. Some insects such as monarch butterfly during winter from Canada to Mexico. Salmons, a type of fish, migrate from seas to very long distance to lay their eggs in rivers. So friends, this was for today's video. We will meet in next video. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And also comment below if I have done any mistake and if you have any doubt. Friends, I am thinking to make an extra video for the question answers of 4 videos. So bye bye friends, we will meet in our next video, and in next video I will make the mathematics video. So bye bye friends.